trying to pull this off right now. I need you to work with me. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Turf Therapy. I don't know how this is gonna go because I got rain, man. Like, I mowed the front already and I knew this was coming. I just don't know. Boy, I was worried, but it worked out. We got the sun, she's high in the sky, in the air, letting it dry out a little bit. I don't usually do this. I don't usually mow wet, but you know, it's for a special occasion and she's just damp. It's gonna be all right. So I'm bringing you here. We are 2 days past the application, the second application of the Simple Lawn Solutions Lawn Energizer. The only thing that I did different was I juiced it up with a little bit of surfactant because my weather wasn't really the way that I needed it to be to get the proper uptake, and I had a whole bunch of humidity. So I used that surfactant to make sure that it got on the grass the way I wanted it to be. So as you can see, these are the results for the front. I've already mowed this, I've already edged it out, but you're here for the main event, which is, yes, us mowing the side plot. Now, special shout out to my girl PJ over at Girls Lawn. She is a mother, she has 2 kids, and she's out there crushing it on her lawn, rescuing the fescue out there in VA. And special shout out to my man Polo for the beats that you're hearing in this video today. All right, without further ado, let's get this mow done. Last year, I tried my best, but even in the end, I didn't feel like that mow was worthy of dedicating to the moms, even though I did it. But this year, I mean, you see the diagonals. Happy Mother's Day, everyone. I appreciate all the mothers that support the channel. I appreciate all the fathers out there that have to play mothers for unfortunate reasons. And if you don't have your mother in your life, condolences. But if you do, please you take this day to let her know how much you appreciate everything she's done for you. And that's pretty much it. Simple Lawn Solutions, Lawn Energizer, 2 applications, about 2 weeks apart. The second time we use the surfactant, and then we build her up. Now, moving on with the remainder of the season, I am now in preparation for summer heat. We got to build up our summer stress and our summer tolerance. And the way I'm going to do that is with that product that I showed you guys last time we did a lawn care video, and it was the 31818. Now, I'm really a fan of the 31818. We'll get into more of that as far as why. But before I let you go today, I want to let you know that the Lawn Energizer is on sale. It's on the lightning sale. If you're watching this in real time on Mother's Day 2021, today is the last sale. I got a link for it in the description below. Go over there and get it while it's hot and it's nice and cheap. So once again, I appreciate you tuning in for another episode of Turf Therapy, where we're healing lawns and souls. And I'll see you next time for your weekly dose of therapy with Rob. Peace.